everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So, barely 15 days are left for the NEET 2024 exam. Many students must have prepared some sort of strategy for these remaining 15-20 days. Some students also can go in some panicky mode during these 15 days. No matter how much they are prepared, how much the confidence was earlier, लेकिन 15 days में क्योंकि उनकी स्ट्रैटेजी कुछ बहुत अच्छी नहीं रहती है, उन्हें समझ नहीं आता विच डायरेक्शन टू गो, एंड दे ऑफन एंड अप गेटिंग देमसेल्फ कंफ्यूज्ड एंड हेंस लोअरिंग देयर कॉन्फिडेंस. सो नंबर वन थिंग, आपको सबसे पहले इस गलती से अपने आप को बचाना है. अभी तक आई एम श्योर आपने बहुत तैयारी करी होगी, अच्छी तैयारी करी होगी, बट इफ़ यू आस्क मी दैट in these 15 days, will you be still able to crack the NEET exam to get a good government college or not? Then my answer would be yes. You can do it, but दो चीज़ें इसमें ज़रूरी है. नंबर वन, इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इन एटलीस्ट 2 सब्जेक्ट्स, कोई भी 3 सब्जेक्ट्स में से कोई भी आप 2 सब्जेक्ट्स में स्ट्रॉन्ग हो तो आपका सिलेक्शन हो सकता है. एंड नंबर टू, इफ़ योर syllabus is 60 to 70% completed. Also, do remember one thing, that nobody's preparation is perfect for any exam. We just have to make our preparation better. ठीक है, तो बस इसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. We'll discuss a few things for the next 15 days for your NEET 2024 exam. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into it. So my number one advice to you would be that since your time is limited, your syllabus should also remain limited for the next 15 days. Okay, do not start anything new, especially the topics which are related to physics and chemistry. For biology, yes, you can try to cover up the remaining portions of yours. Also, while studying, your time should be given to the topics that hold more weightage. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसा कोई टॉपिक मत उठा लेना जिसमें आपको टाइम भी ज़्यादा लगेगा और उसका वेटेज भी कम है. इवन इफ यू स्टार्ट अ न्यू टॉपिक फॉर फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री ऑल्सो, that topic should not consume more than 20% of your time. So 80% of the time you have to keep on revising your notes, the questions and all of that, but only 20% time should be given for any new topic. Okay, because I tell you, if you start a new topic, that new topic will not only consume a lot of your time but will also bring down your confidence in some way or the other. And right now, confidence building is very crucial for the next 15 days. आपकी confidence building होगी revision से, by practicing the MCQ questions. And for this, there is a YouTube channel by the name Diamond Intensive Studies, and I am also associated closely with this channel. So on that channel, till the NEET exam is here, we'll regularly upload the videos of physics, chemistry and biology. 2 videos related to chemistry MCQs are already uploaded on that channel, and regularly every 2 to 3 days we'll keep uploading more videos on that channel. Link of that channel is given in the description box below and also in the card mentioned above. Okay, so do consider subscribing to that channel. So another thing would be by practicing the mock test, the full syllabus mock tests. Okay, so you have to practice the mock test every 2 to 3 days. Then keep revising your notes, especially the notes which are your self-prepared notes, and try not to make any unrealistic plan in the next 15 days. Right now, your prime focus for biology should be NCERT. Go word to word in your NCERT. Coming to physics, so for physics I would say कि आप एक पेज पे सारे फॉर्मूले लिख दो, and just before leaving for the exam, it would be advisable that you go through those formulas. Now let's come to the problem solving questions of physics. अब कुछ questions होते हैं which are quite repetitive, okay, and now the time is not sufficient for you to sit down and derive the entire answer of that question. Okay, and again those questions are quite repetitive, so I would advise you, for those questions you can just memorize the answer. Okay, that would be a time saving thing for you, because right now time is of course crucial, और time को आप सही जगह दो rather than sitting down and problem solving new questions. That wouldn't be something which would be advisable from my side. And lastly, coming to the uncovered topics. Okay, so अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका कोई टॉपिक है जो आपने नहीं टच किया है, so do not worry about those topics as long as they do not hold much weightage. Those topics would eventually be covered when you do the mock tests frequently, the full syllabus mock test. So उसमें से कुछ भी अगर क्वेश्चन होगा, अगर आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा mock test करोगे अभी every like 2 to 3 days में, तो I think वो वाला टॉपिक आपका उस मॉक टेस्ट के थ्रू कवर हो जाएगा। आप आराम से अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, जस्ट बिलीव इन द गॉड, ओके, एंड आपका सिलेक्शन ज़रूर हो जाएगा, बिकॉज you know that you worked hard sincerely. Believe in yourself, your preparation, your hard work, and rest, leave everything to God. ठीक है, ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है, just give your best shot. All right. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it and it was useful for you. So if that was the case, then yes, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Vet Visit, then yes, please do. Do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.